Hello everyone. So in this tutorial I show you about another preview of REST API like register preview and other autocomplete. Okay. Then yesterday I show you this activity of code. Now if I enter my email and password like abc at the rate, then here input password. Okay, then if you want to sign in, then sign in, and if you have not any id, then register. Okay, so here you click, you see the uh, click I button, you see the password. Okay, so now I click on register. After that, is another here is another activity is there. Here is another activity after the click, and here I input enter mail, first name, last name, username, password. Okay, so for that I use the activity I show you. Okay, this name is activity register. So here I show you design. So for that I use linear layout, and after that scroll view, after linear layout vertical, then edit text. This edit text indicate the enter mail. After first name I use the first name, last name, and username. So for that, this is the first name edit text and this last name edit text. After this is the username edit text. Okay, so I use text input layout for all those for edit text. Then Android support widgets text input, and after that I also use edit text for repassword. Okay, then I use register and input text. So for this activity, the XML file of this, and this is the Java code file for this activity. So for this, here is the mail, first name, last name, username, password view, and after that those are also integrated. So I also integrated this identity. After that, I click register button. So for that, here is the password view. Password view mainly indicate that's icon view. Okay, when I click it, and after that private void attempt registration, and here is the email and password view. That's the code. After I override this method, here is the main. Okay, and here is the I also input the email and password after I override this method. So firstly you needed internet permission for this API. So here you need internet permission. So for this developing this application, I also need access location and permission, and also read GS permission. Okay. So thank you everyone. See you next.